Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at both colorways of the 700v3 by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West's Yeezy brand. The original Azael colorway released back in late December 2019, while the new Alvah 700v3 released in mid-April 2020, both at the retail price of £170. Quick disclaimer, these pairs are 100% authentic, and I picked up my Azael from StockX. I paid about £380, while my Alvahs are from Dover Street Market. They both come in a brown Yeezy cardboard slide-out box wrapped in that beige Yeezy paper. No extra laces or accessories can be seen in these pairs, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Yeezy 700 series is one of the most popular and premium models in the Yeezy Adidas catalogue, usually retailing at £250. Now that price has dropped to £170, stripping away its premium suede and leather upper for a more synthetic design. One major change is the removal of the soft boost sole for a firmer PU encapsulated EVA midsole that provides comfort and durability, while sticking to that herringbone rubber outsole in a similar jigsaw design like the previous 700s. This is light blue on the OG Azael, which adds a cool contrast to the cream and white upper, while the Alvah is more subtle in its black and carbon grey look. The 700v3 upper is made of a synthetic mesh with white prime knit stripes woven across the mid panel. It features a beige, rough textured rubber toe cap on the Azael, and its most interesting feature is that futuristic RPU exoskeleton overlays for structure and durability. Fun fact, these do glow green in the dark, and both shoes have a sock-like fit thanks to that sewn-in elastic tongue and black bungee style laces. Both shoes feel surprisingly light and comfortable with that padded lining and black padded ultralight cushioned insoles. Yes, they share the exact same insoles on both pairs if you're wondering. My favourite detail is the silver reflective 3M hits that really pop at the lower parts of the tongue. It's subtle yet fits the futuristic look of the 700v3. Sizing wise, I stay true to my Yeezy Boost 350 and Yeezy Boost 380 size, which is a UK 11.5. I was a little bit worried about breathability, which is overall okay. The previous 700s weren't the most breathable shoes in the market in the first place, but these are fine. Finally, this is the battle between Hebrew-based names, Azael meaning made of God, and Alvah, which means His Highness according to Google, so please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Overall, I'm sticking with Team Alvah. I'm not the biggest fan of the Azael colorway. It is a clean colorway, but the Alvahs to me are just easier to style, and also they're slightly cheaper resale wise, so I paid £270 for my second pair. Let me know which team you're on, and if you managed to pick any of these pairs up. Did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me if you like this type of content. Thanks for watching and have a good day.